Let's be honest. Most remote jobs sound amazing until you see the qualifications. 5 years of experience, a portfolio that looks like it belongs to a tech CEO, and a college degree from Hogwarts. But what if you don't have any of that? Well, here's the good news. In 2025, remote data entry jobs are some of the easiest ways to start working from home with no experience. You don't need a resume stacked with skills or a fancy diploma. All you need is a laptop, a decent internet connection, and the ability to follow instructions. Remote data entry is booming. From startups to e-commerce stores, companies are hiring people to enter and organize their data, and many of them don't care whether you've had a previous job in the field. They just want someone who can type quickly and accurately. Sounds like you? Then stick around. So, what is a remote data entry job exactly? It's pretty straightforward. You're entering information, maybe from scanned forms, handwritten notes, or messy spreadsheets, into clean, organized systems. Sometimes it's updating contact lists in a CRM. Other times, it's uploading product descriptions into an online store. It's not glamorous, but it's stable, low-stress work, and best of all, it's beginner-friendly. Now, you might be wondering, do I need special software for this? Not really. Most jobs just use Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or web-based tools like HubSpot and Zoho CRM. They're easy to learn, and there are tons of free tutorials online if you need a quick crash course. No coding. No Zoom marathons. Just structured tasks and a checklist. And let's clear up some confusion. Data entry is not the same as transcription or data labeling. Transcription involves listening to audio and typing it out word for word. That's a different skill set entirely. Data labeling, on the other hand, is more about tagging images or text for AI training. Also important, but usually a little more niche. Classic data entry is visual, repetitive, and, if you're a detail nerd, surprisingly satisfying. If you're looking to apply, where should you start? Trusted platforms like HireBasis, Clickworker, and Upwork are great. HireBasis, in particular, focuses on beginner-friendly roles and doesn't overwhelm you with overly technical listings. Clickworker offers microtasks, while Upwork gives you access to a wide range of freelance gigs. Just be ready to create a profile, maybe take a short skills test, and start applying. Beware of scams, though. If a job listing asks for money up front, promises unreal pay, or directs you to message someone via Telegram, it's probably a red flag. Always research the company, read reviews, and use legit job boards. If it feels sketchy, trust your gut. Now let's talk about job titles. There are more options than you'd expect. Data entry clerk, classic copy-paste work. Online form filler, taking info from one source and filling out digital forms. CAPTCHA entry worker, super simple but low paying. Product listing assistant, updating e-commerce sites. Virtual assistant with a data entry focus, a stepping stone to more advanced remote roles. Want to improve your chances? Learn a few key skills. Spreadsheets are number 1, Excel and Google Sheets. Then there's typing speed. Aim for 50+ words per minute with high accuracy. Tools like Keyboard, 10 fast fingers, and the free HireBasis typing test can help. Add some certifications. HubSpot's CRM course is a great free one, and you've already separated yourself from half the competition. Even if you don't have experience, you can still build credibility. Create mock tasks. Show your skills in a portfolio. Upload example spreadsheets or screenshots of your work. You can host everything in Google Drive or use free websites like Card. As for pay, it's realistic to earn between $5 and $15 per hour starting out. Platforms like Microworkers pay less but are good for getting your foot in the door. Once you get more confident and build a few reviews, you could scale to $1,000 or more per month. Full-time data entry pros can hit $1,500 to $2,000 per month consistently if they work with international clients or niche industries. The key to success? Consistency. Show up, deliver accurate work, and communicate well. You don't need to be the fastest, you just need to be reliable. Once you earn trust, you'll start getting repeat work and referrals. Want some inspiration? There are tons of stories like Maria's, a stay-at-home mom who started on Microworkers and is now a top-rated freelancer on Fiverr. She didn't have a background in tech. She just logged on, took small jobs seriously, and grew from there. And you can too. So here's the takeaway. Remote data entry might not be flashy, but it's real work that pays real money. It's accessible, scalable, and perfect for anyone who's ready to dip their toes into remote work. Don't overthink it. Start where you are, build your skills, and grow from there. And if you're ready to jump in, head over to HireBasis. No gimmicks, no nonsense, just real jobs that match real people.